Woody Woodpecker race scene, flat tire scene, take 21. And action. Get ready. Start your engines. And wait! What is it now? Go away. No, this is serious. It is an emergency. What? Somebody has a flat tire. What do you mean? Yo-Yo Flamingo? That driver over here, he has a flat tire. What? He has a flat tire. Flat tire? I don't have a flat tire. Then what do you call it, huh? Mr. Cuckoo Pants? Hey, don't you think of me a Cuckoo Pants? Well, yeah, he was have a flat tire. And I'll be at the backstage. What do you want from me, Yo-Yo Flamingo? You're that guy from Fantasia? Yes. Come on, I'll take you to my workshop. This is very easy. I promise. Cut. Oh, wait. What are these crashes? No! And Woody goes back in the race. What it costs in his fuel tank. Take 10. Action. Good donut. Yeah, and this time. And Plankton is disqualified again, just like in the first episode. Yeah, I love donuts. Yep, and cut. And then, Patchy was losing control. No! Head straight for the wall! Ah! 5. Action! I hate you! You did not! I hate you! Oh dear, come on! Cut. TNT room, take 24. Action! And Plankton's gonna hit to the TNT room. Oh, Bakabow will buy you. Curse you, Woody Woodpecker. Oh no. Cut. The Academia scene, take 43. Action. Holy Nuckadania! Looks like there's some pirate villains blocking the area and they're causing you run at the finish line. Did you get that fun in the job? Yes, that's a pretty good movie actually. Okay, I had a paper thing. Cut. Yeah. Lose a mustache scene, take 1. Action. Whoa, ho, ho! Looks like we got a female racer in a race now. Yep, he's funny and cute and favorite. It's Agnes Gruden with the unicorn cycle. Yep, he just looks like a hot mama. What? No, son, give me your mustache. Your mustache sucks anyways. I'm all alone now. Cut. Action. Action. Where do those fire villains be? I've been calling it now for 5 hours ago. The race is about to end. Don't worry, Buster. I hope we make it here any time now. Cut. Take 4. Action. So that's it. I won the race. Not yet, dude. What do you mean? Well, because we got few more races to go with. How about the Sunny TVs? And then you could get the best cake. Do it for all the heroes of the cartoon universe. Well, I'll do it. Cut.